Hello everybody and welcome to the beauty section of my channel, Beauty by ES Keys. Today I am with the lovely VEO and I'm going to be doing the side ombre Ghana braids using the colors 1B and a 33 to make the ombre look. I'm going to cut the 1B into 4 and cut the 33 into 2, and I'm going to pull the ends just so it has a smooth end. I'm going to be using Blue Magic, just a normal hair cream and some normal hair gel. Next I'm going to section the hair into 3, the front, the middle and the back section, and I'm going to start with the middle section. I'm going to do about 4 Ghana cornrows, starting from one side of her hair to the other side. I'm going to take very little extensions and make it slightly bigger as I go along. And I'm just going to braid down just to the middle, not finishing the whole hair. I'm going to do about 4 or 5 Ghana cornrows going from one side to the other in the middle section. So I'm going to go to the bottom section of her hair and I'm going to start from her ear region to the neck region, taking the hair from that side to the bottom. I'm going to do about 2 or 3 cornrows with that pattern. Then I'm just going to follow the hair around, carrying on with that pattern. Once I'm done with that section, I'm going to come to my final section, which is the front. And I'm going to do about 4 straight cornrows. So as you can see, I'm just carrying on with the same Ghana braiding pattern, adding as I go along. And I'm going to do that all the way to the middle area of the hair, so not braiding the hair all the way down. Next I'm just going to do a curve pattern, and the hair is just going to follow that curvy pattern all the way down to the other side of her head. Then I'm going to come back to the front section and do another 4 cornrows going down. And then I'm going to repeat the same curve pattern to finish the rest of the hair. Now this just creates a straight curve pattern, and it's really nice. There are other patterns you can do, you don't have to do this, but this was the one my client chose. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to the rest of the braids, and I'm going to add the color 33 to give the ombre look. I'm not going to take big chunks of the hair, I'm just going to take little chunks of the color 33 and braid all the way down. Once that is done, I'm going to take some scissors and snip the edges off because we don't like the spiky bits. And when I'm done with that, I'm just going to set the rest of the hair in hot water. This is a process that you need to be very careful with so you do not burn your clients. So you need a tea towel or a towel to drain the water. I repeat this procedure 2 or 3 times just to make sure the ends of the hair is straight. This is the final look. I also did VO's makeup just to complete the look, and I went for a little reddish sort of vibe because you know Valentine's Day is coming up. So let me know what you think about this look, guys. Comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye and God bless.